Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to dispute an unauthorized inquiry with Equifax. Finding an unauthorized hard inquiry on your credit report can be alarming, as hard inquiries can negatively impact your credit score. Unauthorized inquiries often happen due to administrative errors, mixed credit files, or potential identity theft. To clear your credit report, you need to understand how to challenge these unrecognized entries directly with Equifax. The first step is to obtain a copy of your Equifax credit report to identify the specific inquiry in question. Review the details carefully, noting the name of the company that pulled your credit, the date of the inquiry, and the confirmation number if available. It is often helpful to contact that specific company or lender directly first. Sometimes, a company pulls your credit report using a third-party partner or an unfamiliar parent corporation name, and speaking with them can clarify whether it was a legitimate pull or an error that they can clear up immediately. If the company cannot resolve the issue or you suspect fraudulent activity, you should file an official dispute directly with Equifax. The fastest and most efficient way to submit your dispute is online through the My Equifax portal. By creating or signing into your account, you can select the specific inquiry section, flag the unauthorized entry, and provide details on why the entry is incorrect. When submitting your dispute, make sure to include supporting documentation if you have any. This might include a copy of your credit report with the unauthorized inquiry highlighted, identification documents, or an identity theft report if you suspect fraud. You can also choose to file your dispute by mail by downloading a dispute form from the Equifax website and mailing it along with your supporting evidence to the designated Equifax processing address. Once your dispute is submitted, Equifax is legally required to investigate your claim, which typically takes up to 30 days. During this investigation period, Equifax will contact the company that made the inquiry to verify its validity. If the company cannot validate that you authorized the inquiry, or if they fail to respond within the required window, Equifax must remove the inquiry from your credit report. Once the investigation is complete, Equifax will send you a written notification detailing the results and provide an updated copy of your credit report if any changes were made. Monitoring your credit regularly after the dispute ensures that the unauthorized item stays removed and protects your overall financial health. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.